Two individuals were injured in separate snake bite incident that occurred last night in a Rajnagar block area of Vilonia subdivision, prompting local concern over the increasing presence of snakes, particularly near the Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary. The victims have been identified as Prasenjit Majumdar and Paramita Nandi. Both victims were immediately rushed to the Barapathari Primary Health Center, where they received crucial initial treatment. Due to the nature of snake bites, they were subsequently transferred to the Vilonia Subdivisional Hospital for advanced medical care. Medical officers have confirmed that both Prasenjit Majumdar and Paramita Nandi are currently in a stable condition, with doctors reassuring the public that there is no immediate cause for alarm. As a precautionary measure and for further specialized observation, they have been referred to the Sandri Bajar District Hospital. The incidents occurred while the victims were engaged in routine activities.
কখন
সময়টা মনে হচ্ছে
সন্ধ্যার সময়
সন্ধ্যার একটু পরে।
তারপর কি করছেন?
এরপরে আমি তো আসছিলাম বাজারে, এই হাসপাতালে আনছি, বড়দের হাসপাতালে।
আচ্ছা,
তো বড়দের হাসপাতালে নেওয়ার পরে ডাক্তাররা দেখলো, 3টে ইঞ্জেকশন দিচ্ছে, যেহেতু এই ব্যাপার আপনারা রেফার করতে।
Authorities and health officials are urging residents to exercise extreme caution, especially when working in plantation near water bodies or in the forested areas, and to seek immediate modern medical attention in the event of any snake bite. Bureau Report, Chini Khurang.